Now, very good morning to students of standard 6th. We have just started our grammatical topic. In that also we have started one topic name is that is tenses. Till now we have just completed 6 of the tenses. Okay, one is simple, then present, 3 simple tense, 3 present tense, and now the third, the past. Okay, the present perfect tense, then present past tense and present future tense. Okay, we have just completed all that 6 of the tenses. In that we have learned about the simple present tense, simple past tense, and the simple future tense. Then comes the continuous tense. In continuous tense we have just seen about the present continuous tense, then the past continuous tense and the future continuous tense. Okay, and now there is a present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and the present perfect tense, then past perfect tense, and just we have completed the future perfect tense. Okay, in that also we will start the what do you mean by the present perfect tense. उसको पहले समझना पड़ता है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस हम किसको कहेंगे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस मीन्स द एक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड बट सम ऑफ द थिंग्स इज नॉट कंप्लीटेड एंड यू आर जस्ट गिविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट. Now, if I take an example of eating a food in my dish, if I go to a wedding and in the wedding there is a good food, so I will take obviously I will take all the food to my dish. Okay, and there is a presence of a mango juice also. Okay, so I like the mango juice, so I will take the mango juice more, and I start to take my lunch in a wedding, and one of my friend comes to me and say that you like mango juice very much. I said yes. Then I will bring that mango juice to you. Then I will say no, I have just taken it. Just now only I have taken it. But there is present of a small amount of mango juice in my dish. There is present of a small amount of mango juice in my dish. I have taken the mango juice, but not all I have finished. This explains or this says about the present perfect tense. Okay, now if I will give you another example of it, then what happens? I have taken my lunch at 12 am and after 15 minutes means 12:15. After 12:15 one of my friend comes to me and says at 12 pm I have took my lunch. Okay, after 12:15 one of my friend comes to me and say चलो खाने के लिए. Then what I will say? No, because I have already just taken a lunch before 15 minutes. And if he says then let's drink something or let's eat some snacks, then I will say no, because why? There is a food present in my stomach already. I have just finished the lunch. लंच का एक्शन पूरा हो गया है, पर जो मैंने लिया है वो मेरे पेट में अभी भी प्रेजेंट है. तो उसे दर्शाने के लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. ये हो गया हमारा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव और हैज प्लस वर्ब और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और वर्ब विद द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. Okay, and the rest of the sentence. You can write the past participles also. Third form of the verb you can also write. Okay, but have and has you have to write. Okay, the important thing is here it is have and has. Now we will see the example that I have taken a dinner. I have taken, this is the third form of the verb taken. A dinner, dinner is the rest of the sentence, and I is a subject. Okay, this is the helping verb. Now second example is he has cooked food. Cooked food. He has cooked the food. Cook the food. सो ही के साथ क्या आएगा? हैज आएगा. तो अब हमें पता चलना चाहिए कि ही, शी एंड इट, इसके साथ क्या आएगा? हैज आएगा. फिर वी, दे, यू एंड आई, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? हैव. ओके, सो दिस शुड बी केप्ट इन द माइंड दैट ही के साथ हैज आएगा, शी के साथ हैज आएगा और इट के साथ भी हैज आएगा. वी, दे, यू, आई, वी, दे, यू, आई के साथ भी हैव आएगा. We'll see more example also. You can also write in the English notebook when I give the homework of this tenses. At that time you can make or you can compose your own sentences. I, he, they have played very well. They have played football very well. फिर we have learned maths. We have learned maths. Okay, so these are the examples that you can just make your own sentences by yourself and understand the tense, the present perfect tense. Okay, this was our present perfect tense. Okay, now we will move towards the past perfect tense, present, past and the future. There are three types of tense that today we will study here. One is present, one is past and one is future. Okay students, now our second tense is past perfect tense, PPT. In short you can write PPT. Now in past perfect tense, its formula is subject plus had plus V3 plus rest of the sentence. And we will just see more about the past perfect tense here also. That in a past time, if the action is being finished and you want to just explain it or you want to just say it to anyone just now, then you can use the पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, उसमें क्या आएगा? हैव और हैज नहीं आएगा और हेड आएगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेड प्लस V3, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस रेस्ट. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एंड इन दैट ऑल्सो वन सम देर विल बी most of conjunctions are used, means we can say there would be a two sentences in this. Not every time there will be present of a two sentences, but at some time there will be a two sentences in them, and you can use the conjunctions like before, after, until. Okay, he had finished his lunch before I came to his house. Okay, so we have used here before conjunction. to join two sentences. Okay. Now, second example also we can take. He was playing very well until his heartbeat stopped. He had played very well until his heartbeat stopped. क्या वो तब तक अच्छा खेल रहा था जब तक उसकी सांस है ना वो रुक गई थी, तब तक वो अच्छा खेल रहा था. फिर यू कैन गिव मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. In that also you can just write, okay, I will write here only examples of the past perfect tense. Example, the player had lost heart. Player had lost game. The player had lost game before the time. So we have here used before, that is conjunction of both the sentence to join them, and the player is subject, had we have to use here lost. Lost is the V3, means we can say third form of the verb or past participle. Okay. And now this is the rest of the sentence. Now you can take another example, that also the match had finished when the match had finished, ed or d, that should be there in the V3 form, okay, in a third form of a verb. The match had finished when I reached there. Okay. Third example, you can make by yourself the third example also. He studied he had learned science before the exam. He had learned science before the exams. Okay. So one more sentence you can I am performing here, or I am writing here. Like that you can also compose the sentences by using the formula. You can make the sentence. Okay. So these were the three examples that I have given you to understand the past perfect tense. Okay, students. Now the third tense is the future perfect tense. Okay, that we will see here, the future perfect tense. future perfect tense. ओके, उसमें उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? क्या सब्जेक्ट प्लस shall have and will have. Subject plus shall have plus will have, and the verb which is present, it should be V3. Okay, plus rest of the sentence. And it shows that what do you mean by a future perfect tense? That in a future, that you are knowing that in a future at some time this work will be done, that you are perfect in that time, you are perfect in that time, that work will be done in that time only. When you are knowing that my work will be completed in future in this time period, so it is known as a future perfect tense. Subject plus shall have and will have plus verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay, and we will see the examples of that also. Okay, examples: I shall have, I shall have learned science, I shall have learned science by tomorrow. मैं साइंस को पढ़ लूँगा, कब तक पढ़ लूँगा? कि बाय टुमारो आई विल कंप्लीट माई वर्क और आई विल कंप्लीट माई एक्शन. विच एक्शन? द एक्शन ऑफ लर्निंग द साइंस. सो यू आर परफेक्ट, that you are knowing that I will finish my work, this work in future in this much time. So it indicates the future perfect tense. Now second example also, you will have reached Ahmedabad at you will have reached Surat, you will have reached Surat at 4 AM. सी आप कब तक वहाँ पे सूरत पे पहुँच जाओगे? आप 4 बजे सुबह के, कल के सार सुबह 4 बजे आप कहाँ पे होंगे? सूरत पे होंगे. दैट इज फिक्स्ड. व्हेन यू सिट हियर एट नाइट टाइम at 10 o'clock or at you sit at 8 o'clock at night on this day, and you will reach 4 o'clock on the morning on next day. So that is a fixed time and your work will be completed in that time, and you are knowing that my work will be completed in future in this much time. To explain that, the future perfect tense is used. Okay students, so these were the 2 examples that I have shown you here, and remember the formula that I have given here. We have just completed future perfect tense. Before that we had just past perfect tense. And first one was present perfect tense. Okay, so these 3 were the tenses that we have learned today, and in the previous lecture also we have just learned 3 of the tenses. 3 of the tenses that we have learned in previous, that were of a continuous, okay, present continuous, past continuous and the future continuous, and now we have just completed 3 more tenses. It is known as future perfect tense, past perfect tense and the present perfect tense. Okay, you should know all the tenses that I have been taught here. Till now, thank you and have a good day.